You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I see other videos on YouTube saying that it's pronounced isotropy. No. If you want to learn, by the way, more correct pronunciations in English, more vocabulary, stay tuned. The opposite of isotropy, what is it? Yes, that's how you pronounce it. And stay tuned if you want to learn how to say the opposite of isotropy. Isotropy, that's how you pronounce it in English, the English, correct English pronunciation, isotropy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.